So I'm going to take you on a short tour of my shop here. We go out into the workshop. This is actually much improved from what it was before because I've cleaned up quite a bit. This shop has really high ceilings, and so that helps me a lot. There's a lot of storage already built in here when I moved in, these shelves up there. But what I've done is I've tried to create some more clean look here by using these wood panels. You see there's one there, it's a narrow one, and there's another one there. And I have some of these panels over there that I haven't used yet. These are the ones that came out of these crates of medical equipment at the hospital, big boxes, and I've taken them apart. There's another panel over there I've used. That's a salvaged little cabinet up there, that gray thing from, I hate to admit it, dumpster diving at the hospital. I've managed to build a little cart for my wood storage. This cart is kind of also built out of panels, so you can't see it, but down underneath it's on a base that's got casters on it so it can roll around. This for small scrap wood storage, also built out of those panels. More panels over here just to kind of wall off this area. And so old table saw, that one still works, but it's just a little tiny hobby shop saw. There's my heavy duty Craftsman that died, and the cast iron table is being dismantled. I've got some these hoses here you see that are going to be part of my dust collection system. These there's some large PVC pipe up there that I'm going to use for overhead, and there'll be a main dust collection set up over here with a shop vac and hoses all connected to my different saws that produce dust, like this DeWalt miter saw. This is actually pretty new. I just bought this recently. And then I've created this miter saw station with this long white tray. There'll be these blue aluminum guides are for eventually having little lockdown areas on the miter saw table. I'm going to be covering up all these doors on here. I took the doors off, but these cabinets are just look like clutter. There'll be a lot more organization. I built some drawers here, and I'm going to build some more drawers for these little cubbies. And of course my main work table here is covered in stuff right now. Over here in this little area here behind this, I've built some shelves, and these little cabinets here, like this one and this one, there's some more. There's one under there. There's one right down here. These all are salvaged from the hospital as well. So a lot of still a lot of cleanup to do. This countertop here is total clutter, and can't really work back in this area. I'm going to be constructing a new pedestal for my drill press there. There's this little white thing down here is going to be replaced by this thing, which is a metal stand that with shelves. I'm going to be using that for my drill press stand eventually. These are pretty cool. These are some overhead deals that were part of a hospital remodel. They look kind of neat. They're kind of like just aesthetics. They hang from the ceiling. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I'll do something. Anyway, that's kind of the shop as you see it, and a lot more work to do, but it's going to be awesome when it's done. My new table saw will sit right here where this one is, and yeah, it's going to be great. Oh, there's outside snow, snow, more snow. All right, that's it.